This is just a quick review of the deer asset I bought from CGTrader yesterday. I'm actually not going to use this in my project, but I figured it would be worth a quick overview because it was honestly not a bad $6. It was inexpensive and it had what I needed at the time. I just decided to go with a more realistic looking asset after some introspection about what my project needs. At any rate, here's the animations. The deer dying, deer eating, 2 walk animations. The first one with the deer's head not bobbing, so it kind of looks unnatural. Not sure why that happened, but maybe they just forgot to animate that part of the skeleton when they were setting it up. And then they have the deer running. A white-tailed deer would normally have its tail up in the air, like not sticking out, kind of like that. It would be actually straight up behind its back, up over its back, because that's how they run. They use their tail to signal that to other deer that there's something going on and they need to run away. And here's the second walk animation with the head bobbing, which looks much more natural, I think. And the last thing I had was the setup for the material, which was right here. If you need to, just pause the video on this screen so you can see how I set up the 3 different textures. When you import it, you have to import the textures separately as files. And I followed a tutorial on doing all of this. I exported I opened the model originally in Blender and then exported it as an FBX with no textures embedded. And then I did the texture. I made a texture and added the material, or made a material and added the textures to it to make the deer. Anyway, that's it. Have a good day.